Hey there, wig enthusiast! Today I want to share my thoughts on the Glueless Wig body wave human hair wigs. Let me just start off by saying that these wigs are an absolute game changer. First thing first, the body wave texture of these wigs is just gorgeous. It adds a touch of elegance and natural looking volume to your hair. Whether you going for a casual day out or special occasion, these wigs will definitely turn heads and make you feel like $1,000,000. One of the best features of these wigs is the Glueless Design. No more messy and time-consuming application process. These wigs come with adjustable straps and combs that securely hold the wig in place without the need for adhesive. It's so convenient and saves a ton of time when you're in a rush. Plus, it gives you a scalp a breather from all those glues and tapes. Now, let's talk about the hair quality. These wigs are made from 100% human hair, and boy does it show. The hair is incredibly soft, smooth and shiny. It feels just like your own hair, which makes it super comfortable to wear. The wig also has a nice density, providing a full and luxurious look without being too heavy. Styling these wigs is a breeze. You can straighten them, curl them, or even dye them to match your desired look. The versatility is fantastic. I've personally tried a few different hairstyles with these wigs, and they held up beautifully. It's like having a hair list at your fingertips. Durability wise, these wigs definitely passed the test. The hair doesn't tangle easily, and with proper care it can last for a long time. I recommend investing in a good wig brush and some high quality hair products to keep your wig looking fabulous. The only minor drawback I've noticed is that the wig cap could be a bit larger. If you have a larger hair circumference, you might find it slightly snug. However, the adjustable straps do provide some flexibility in fitting, so it's not a deal breaker. All in all, the Glueless Wig body wave human hair wigs are a fantastic choice if you're looking for a natural, easy to wear and versatile wig. The body wave texture is stunning. The hair quality is top notch, and the Glueless design is a game changer. So go ahead and rock the flawless hairdo with confidence.